And a model flight over the bay sets a new record. Geelong to Melbourne doesn't seem much of a feat, but for a Carnegie model aircraft enthusiast, it's earned a world record nonetheless.
Boys and their toys. 37-year-old Mike Farnan pumps 2.5 litres of fuel into his baby chopper, and from then on it's hard to tell the real from the model. Flying next to them, it was like a mother with her baby buzzing across Port Phillip Bay, all done with the flicker of a few remote controls.
I was always slightly nervous. One thing that possessed me to do this was to get model helicopters more recognised for the public, because a lot of people have never heard of a radio-controlled model helicopter. I don't know what they can do.
The model flight path tracked from Geelong to Elwood's Moran Park, reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometres an hour.
The model is, I guess, bouncing around more than what the real one does. So you've just got to keep pace with it, and I've just got to keep him in the right position where he can see it, and his antenna will control it.
Then, in 40 minutes, touchdown, and the hobby shop owner is a world champion.
This adds to his international reputation.
How does it feel to be a world champ?
Oh, fantastic.
Jennifer Adams, 7.